What's up, YouTube? Well, I brought this vacuum. It comes with a nice little bag. Pretty cool. In my description, I will have a link and where to buy, and I will test it in my car and show you how it works. Well, let's get it open. It has one of these extensions. Has one of these, so you can get in the cracks of your seats in places that you can't get the big one. You have one like this. It's like a little vacuum. Pretty cool. You have a small brush one. You have a little small brush. You have a small one. And then you have the vacuum. It connects to your lighter. You can see. Look just like that. Pretty cool. It has a little filter. And it connects to the lighter. Well, let's try it out. See how it picks up. Check it out. Well, as you can see, for the price, it cleans pretty good. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Well, YouTube, like and subscribe. Recommend it. It's awesome. Thanks. This is pretty cool. You get your adapter. As you can see, turn it on. And you can pick up a pretty good vacuum. You can also